Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and in today's tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how to use Bolt.new as a beginner. I'm not a programmer myself, so I might not know all the technicalities and how to code properly as well, so we are both going into this as beginners. Alright, so here's how you can make use of Bolt.new. I've been on the site for a while, so I've picked up that you can program in many languages like JavaScript, HTML, Python, and many more. So your first step would be to log into Bolt.new. As you can see here, my personal account, I'm on the personal plan, which is a free plan. So make sure you're logged into the platform. So it says here, what do you want to build? It can run prompts, it can edit, as I mentioned earlier, deploy full stack web and mobile apps. It can do a lot of things, and you can even upload files to it. So, how can both help you today? So, let's go ahead and build something. Let's go with something simple. So, I'm going to ask it to help me build a simple landing page for an orphanage. And all you need to do is once you've entered the instruction, you can also add extra details to your text. You can ask it to build it as a CEO, a SEO, as an SAS, and many of those terms which I do not understand. And then click on continue here. So let's see what the AI has for us. All right, so it's loading in. While it's loading, you can deploy this. I believe you can deploy this to your GitHub. This is for the exports. You can download it or open it in Stack Blitz. And there are integrations. So I believe these integrations work hand in hand with Stack Blitz. So let's give the AI some time to respond. So also do note that once you're on the personal plan, you have 150,000 daily tokens remaining. You have to subscribe to Pro for 66 times more usage. So help me build a simple landing page for an orphanage. Maybe I should have added a website here. I don't know. But let's wait for the AI. I hope it's not too much of a task. All right, and it's active now. So it's building the landing page. It started off thinking, it thought for 5 seconds. Based on your requirements, I'll create a heartfelt and professional landing page for an orphanage with a clean and modern design. The focus will be on creating an emotional connection while providing essential information about orphanage, the orphanage's mission and impact. Core features, engaging hero section with a compelling message and primary call to action, mission values, ways to help, warm and hopeful color palette with a blue, soft blues and gentle greens. Wow. Okay. And on our right hand side where we have code and preview, it's actually building this website. This is amazing. So seeing as I have no prior experience with creating websites, I've never actually thought of doing this before. This is my first time. So forgive me if I'm not able to find a way around a simple obstacle. Like I said, this is my first time. And the AI looks to be using, I think this is HTML. I'm seeing import React. So I guess this is supposed to be React.js. I don't know. So it's going through creating initial files, installing dependencies, updating the index HTML, creating SRC components. Okay, it's still building, so we'll give it some time. And once it's done, we can have a look at the preview. I don't want to open it up now because I know there will be a lot of errors. And most of these errors, as I said earlier, might not know how to fix them. Most of these errors, I might not know how to fix them. So let's hope we can get something good out of Bolt.new. All right. All right. So it stopped loading at some point. I believe it might be done. So it says the landing page for Hope Haven Orphanage features a compassionate professional design that effectively communicates the organization's mission while encouraging visitor engagement. The page integrates software animations to enhance the user experience, without overwhelming the content, creating an emotional connection through thoughtful imagery and messaging. Wow. Okay. um, the responsive layout ensures the site looks great on all devices, while carefully chosen color palettes, blah blah blah. Each section flows naturally into the next. All right, so I guess this is the moment we've been waiting for, but it still looks like something is installing. So it says installing dependencies. So I don't know how long this is going to take, because I believe all these check marks should be completed, but I guess we can go ahead and explore the preview. So here we go, clicking on preview, no preview available. Inspector, full screen. All right, so let's reload. I feel like it's still working on the installation. So I don't know. Um, let's let's give it some time to get done with that. But in the meantime, what do you guys think? I believe the website is really cool. I mean, there's a terminal here. I don't know what this is for, but I believe I'm supposed to type in something. I'm not sure, but it's gone through a lot of SR SRC codings here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and report an issue. I'm actually gonna report an issue here. So, I don't know what to type in the box. I don't know if I should say delayed install dependencies. Okay, so let's go with that. All right, so after I reported delayed install dependencies, it said it will create a beautiful and professional landing page for an orphanage using Lucid React icons and Tailwind CSS. Let's build all the components with full functionality. So remember I showed you earlier where these green checks weren't, functional. Seems like it's working on something here. So let's just go ahead and preview. Still no preview available. We can reload, nothing yet. So we can give it some time to finish this off. But I think Bolt.new has to be one of the best AIs out there for programmers. I mean, if you want something done quickly, and maybe if you want to learn, you could go through Bolt.new. I feel it's kind of like underrated, or that's just my perspective. I'm gonna hear what you guys have to say about it. So I feel there's the get free tokens menu for a reason. I've already claimed mine. They're going to just ask you a couple of questions, nothing too personal, just what you'd like to be using the app for, sorry, the website for, and other stuff. So there's settings, help center, subscriptions. So I believe the subscriptions is for, when you want to pay for the pro section. Okay, something is up here. I created a beautiful landing page, responsive navigation with mobile menu, engaging hero section with clear calls to action. Um, the site is fully responsive. Okay. You can now view the site in the preview window. Let me know if you like any adjustments to the design or functionality. Let's go. That was a bit underwhelming, but you can hear my mouse clicking. It's not loading, and everything is done over here. So why is it not working? Bro, come on, run this site. Uh, okay, preview not opening. Please fix. 17,000 daily tokens remaining. So I feel like I've exhausted my daily tokens. So I do need to mention, you can get API keys and make use of API keys on here. Depending on the kind of website or work you're trying to get done, you can get artificial API keys from other websites and stuff like that. But you should note that your API keys might not work at first. So you need to maybe re-upload the code or text. I don't know how your API keys would look. Okay, so it says I've updated the Vite configuration to properly handle the preview. The development server will now be available, but the preview should work correctly. preview is still not working. Let's go into full screen. Okay, I guess there's nothing to do in full screen. Okay, so it's built the website already. It's worked its way through the first components with the import, the React, and everything else, but it just doesn't want to show me this preview. And I don't know if I should reload, so I'm going to reload for now, and let's see what comes up. Web container took longer than 30 seconds to boot. This may be because of the browser extension. Yeah, I'm actually downloading something, but I don't know how it affects this. But I should have a preview here to view, but it says nothing. So I don't know what's going on. Okay, so start application. Okay, guys, so I guess reloading might actually be an issue, but I'm still thinking. I've deployed it. I'll help you deploy this to Netlify. I've initiated the deployment process, failed to deploy. Okay. Um, I guess this is how you can make use of Bolt.new. My expectations for it are still high. I guess the issue might be from my end, maybe with the reloading and everything. So make sure you hop on Bolt.new, give it a try, and don't forget to comment down your suggestions, your questions, your observations, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you.